Hello candidates, the National Testing Agency NTA is set to conduct the Graduate Pharmacy Aptitude Test, commonly known as GPAT, on February 27, 2021. The entrance exam will be conducted in a computer-based mode for admission to 39,670 MPharm seats offered by more than 800 institutes across the country. To avoid any hassle, registered GPAT candidates must know the mandatory guidelines to be followed on the exam day. For the convenience of aspirants, Careers 360 brings you a video on GPAT 2021 exam day guidelines. Candidates must know that the GPAT exam day guidelines are also mentioned on the GPAT admit card. The admit card for GPAT can be downloaded from the official website gpat.nta.nic.in or from the link mentioned in the description box below. Candidates must reach the GPAT 2021 exam center at the time indicated on the admit card. No candidate will be permitted to enter the exam venue after the closing of the gate. As per COVID-19 guidelines, aspirants are required to follow social distancing and maintain a 6 feet distance from each other and wear masks all the time. At the exam center, each aspirant is required to carry a hard copy of the GPAT admit card, a filled self-declaration undertaking form, passport size photograph and one valid ID proof. The following ID proofs are considered valid: PAN card, driving license, voter ID card, passport, Aadhaar card, e-Aadhaar, ration card or Aadhaar enrollment number with photograph. Any other form of ID proof will not be considered valid. Candidates who are claiming relaxation under the PWD category must carry a PWD certificate along with their own self-declaration undertaking regarding educational qualification. As per the GPAT 2021 dress code guidelines set by NTA, candidates should not wear shoes or footwear with thick soles and also must avoid wearing clothes with large buttons to the GPAT exam center. Candidates who seek to wear customary attire must reach the exam center early for thorough checking and mandatory frisking. To prevent COVID, proper frisking through hand-held metal detector will be done without physical touch before entering the GPAT exam hall. Candidates are also advised to sanitize their hands with soap or sanitizer before entering the examination hall. Inside the GPAT exam center, candidates will be given blank paper sheets for rough work. Students will be required to write their name and roll number at the top of the sheets and must drop them in the designated drop box without fail before leaving the examination center. No student will be allowed to leave the exam hall before the end of the examination. Candidates must remember to drop the duly filled GPAT 2021 admit card in the designated drop box while leaving the examination hall. Please note that failing to do so may result in the non-evaluation of candidates' answers. For more queries, information and updates on GPAT 2021 upcoming events, please write to us in the comment section below.